understand the third model, that is an integrated model. It is also known as a successful model because so we are going to get the different types of components regarding the HRIS is going to be clubbed into a single unit. So that is going to be gives the best result for processing the human resource information system. So let us go and understand the diagram. So first I will draw the diagram. Okay, so in this integrated model, so we have to get or grab the best resources in the different systems. So HRA is having the various kinds of systems. So they are going to be perceived the HRIS system quality. So they are going to grab the best knowledge regarding the system qualities regarding the HRIS, Human Resource Information System. Okay, next thing is they are also going to be grab the information quality. So they want to get the best quality regarding so what they used, or they have to research and get the best quality of the information. And it is also precisely HRIS is to use. So is to use means there are different types of tools that is very accurately use and use those models. So those type of models is also going to get the very easy to use by any particular person or an HR. So and next thing is perceived HRIS usefulness. So usefulness means how much the useful, this entire thing is comes under the analysis. So the HR in the HR analysis, these all kinds of analysis is going to be made by the human resource managers. So this particular all the very good accurate the system quality or information quality is to use usefulness. Best of things is going to be grabbed. After that it is going to be taken care by the HR managers who are at the management level, higher management level. So if they the users are going to be get satisfied, and finally we get the successful model for that particular company. So we understand three different models, like first model input output model, basic input output HRIS model, and next thing is HRIS adoption model. Here we understand which type of model. Here we understand the integrated model. So that means integrated model or successful model, we can call anything. So this all things is going to be put into a single unit. Okay, so this is about integrated model.